Hello people! Today we're going to talk about the Gadget Discovery Club. This is my first ever box. I've got a generate discount for it and I used it, so this one was about $9.99 or something like this with the discount. I've opened their website just to see what to expect before ordering, of course. And here we go. So there are some reviews. What's in the box? Every gadget box will help you upgrade your entertainment, home or lifestyle, including state-of-the-art smartphone devices, wearable music tech and more, and so on and so on. So basically this is a subscription for gadgets. Every month you've got a gadget box. And according to their own website, where was it? So these are some of the things you can get. Blah, blah, blah. A lot of reviews. I wanted to find this part that I personally thought was quite interesting. Where is it? It was something like that. You are going to get things over £100. Oh, there you go. You get a gadget box with up to 4 innovative gadgets worth over £100 or $150 retail value per box. So the way I read it, in each box you should have something that costs about £100 or more. Or you might have 4 little boxes within a box, so it's a bit confusing. Anyway, now I opened the package and first thing I've noticed was this piece of paper, which tells me what's inside the box. So that kind of defeats the purpose, isn't it? To get a mystery box if you already know what's inside. Anyway, it's packed by Maria, so good job, Maria, for packing this box. Well, we'll find out if it's a good job in a bit. Nothing interesting here, just an ordinary box with the Gadget Discovery Club logo. So, experience the next level, upgrade your life. Oh yeah, we'll add this on the website. So we have paper, more paper. Oh, wait. Enjoy unboxing your new gadget. There is a Facebook page, some hashtags for Twitter or Facebook or whatever you want to use them, and Instagram. Okay, good. That's what I've got in the box. Arise Mini Boom wireless speaker. That's all. I am pretty sure that the retail value of this thing is nowhere near £100, but let's check it. Okay, so some minor technical issues as usual. I've managed to search for this thing and you can see the cost. So that is, you can get it on eBay secondhand for £18. Brand new is £30 on eBay, £32.99 on Rice, on whatever service that is, Rice Traveler. How much does it cost on Amazon? $24.99. Okay. Well, is it worth it? Yeah, I paid £10 for it. Do I consider subscribing and paying £63 a month or something like it? No, not really, if that's what I'm going to get. But yeah, not impressed. Let's open it anyway. What is your experience with the Gadget Discovery Club? Is it like this, or did you get something that's actually more valuable than what you paid for? No, that's so small. Well, it's in the name, it's mini box. Oh my goodness, that's tiny. What is that? Look at that. Wow. Okay, it feels good. It's quite heavy. I think it's yeah, the outside is made of metal of sort. Cool. Can I check the instructions, please? Or they are deeply glued together. Is this thing coming out without breaking the box? Yes. Okay, level up your tunes. Do you know what? I'm going to ignore everything and I'm just going to switch it on. And I'll connect it to my other phone and we'll try to play some tunes. It's on. Ooh, that's loud. Okay, now. Pum, 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 pum. So we want Bluetooth. Turn it on. So I guess the name should be something with rice or whatever. Mini boom. Okay, so we need to find mini boom. Pair. Ooh, okay. Volume. Guys, this thing is loud. Okay, let's play a YouTube video. One of mine. Yeah, everybody's doing this, playing some of their old videos. I'll play the iPhone accessories one. Oh, we have an ad and it's loud. Okay. I'll have another ad. Come on, man. Too many ads on your videos. Yay, here we go. A cut. Have you seen this video, by the way?
Well, guys, if you're following the channel, you probably know that I've got a new phone, which is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it's a beautiful phone, and I love it. And I just wanted to use the MagSafe.
Wow, that is loud.
These arrived today, and as you can.
Okay, that is loud. The sound is all right, and considering how small it is, it's got some depth in it. Okay, okay. Would I buy it? I don't know, but I got it for £10 for my first subscription, so I like it. Nice. So let's recap. Is it worth it paying £63 or whatever amount for this, and then in exchange you might get something like this? My opinion is no, but that's just my opinion. So you might think differently, and that's absolutely okay. Let me know if you have any experience with this Discovery Club. Disconnected with Gadget Discovery Club, and what you got. And also, did you get some of these pieces of paper telling you what's inside? Because that's again a bit defeating the purpose of having a secret box. Cool. I'll stop it there. I'll go and play a little bit with this thing. I'll test the battery life. So if you have any questions, you know what to do. And if you subscribe to my channel, I'll thank you. Enough of this video, and let's all get out and do something other than watching videos with our day. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye bye.